This is the part 1 of my playing is tan taran tan 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 taran tan tan Minecraft. We playing Minecraft. Don't worry. Just ignore the background. So my name is Kat. This name. Because I don't know what. No, like boba tea. This is my green one. Look at my house. You gonna shock. Just don't ignore me, okay? All in this world is green. We're not allowed to go. You know this Filipino song? Mag-aral ay di biro, maghapon nakaupo, pag ikaw ay tumayo, lagot ka sa iyong guro. But I know that song. Do like that. See, it's raining. Oh my god. Guys, in the top. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me. Sorry, guys. That is so easy. You need to copy line, but that is so easy. I'm lagging again. I wish I have a tablet. I'm using only a phone. If you're not subscribed, just subscribe. If you want to join me, just subscribe. This is all my problem. If rain, clear weather.
Changing to clear weather.
Guys, wait, you cannot hear. This is a small bathroom. I don't know. But guys, hey, I'm changing to clear weather.
Changing to clear weather.
See? You know this song again? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Set the time to 145,000. Changing to clear weather.
I hate that. I hate that, bro.